My question is actually here because I'm sitting here with my fiance, and we were thinking about getting a new home. And so we're hypothetically thinking about either renting or continuing to rent our property, or do you suggest maybe getting a mortgage? And so say right now rent is on average, say it's $2,000 rent, and mortgage we can potentially get as low as 1,500, but it may be as high as 3,000. So just no expert advice. You know how it goes. Just as a young brother, just wanting to know if you were in his shoes, how would you go with such wisdom in the room? We appreciate any knowledge.
All right. Did you know that the average renter stays in their apartment for 5 years?
I did not know that, sir.
Yeah. The average one stays in there for 5 years. You said 2,000 a month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See this. So when we take a look at it, we have tunnel vision when it comes to our money. And what's important is what's right in front of me. I paid $2,000. I have some place to live. And this month, which is right in front of me, I've got a place to live. Next month will be right in front of me and I have a place to live. So we're only looking at what's right in front of us. So 5 years is 60 months. Okay. Can you take 60 months and multiply it by $2,000?
120,000.
120,000 of whose dollars?
Our dollars.
Your dollars. So do you want to put 120,000 of your dollars into making someone else wealthy?
No, sir.
Okay. So what you've got to take a look at is multiple layers. Are you planning on moving anytime soon?
No, sir. We're in the Houston, Texas area.
Houston. Okay. Houston, Texas area. Going to be there for a while, right? Are you okay with doing maintenance on a house? Or
certainly.
Keeping it up?
Yeah, we like to get dirty in there.
Okay. You want some place with a big yard or a small yard?
Oh, sure. Big yard. You know, I'm trying to really start on a football team in terms of me and my wife.
All right. So you don't mind.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay. That's a big yard.
Oh, yes.
So you're okay with all of that. So by putting $120,000 into something, do you want to put it into something of your own, or do you want to put it into something that's building somebody else's?
Something of our own, sir.
Exactly. So you know what? People ask that question all the time, but I think you answered it yourself. What do you think?
I think so, sir.
Appreciate you. All right. Not a problem. Prince, are you complete with that question?
No, that was dope. That was I love the way you broke down the numbers. That a lot of times makes things clear.
Listen, it's about doing the math. It's not the feelings. It's about doing the math.
Amen.
This is not, you know, I say that this is math, not magic.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L.L method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.